Tesla has created something unique, the Tesla Cybertruck. This Cybertruck is incredibly designed, having outstanding exteriors that are easily comparable to 90s vintage cyberpunk video games. Tesla has always been known for its innovation, so we have a one-of-a-kind prototype that is its most aggressive pickup truck. In late 2019, a prototype of an electric pickup truck was presented, which included some basic model customization. The Tesla Cybertruck, on the other hand, is set to hit the roads by the middle or end of 2022. Aside from the odd style of Cybertrucks, there are other great changes to the prototype that we will look at. Before we begin with how Tesla employees leaked Cybertruck design footage, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell symbol so you can routinely update your knowledge of interesting technological news and updates. That being said, let us now have a look. Tesla initially stated that Cybertruck production would begin in late 2021. They intended to launch the market with tri- and dual-motor variants first, followed by other prototypes. Tesla's intention to begin manufacturing Cybertrucks in 2021 was delayed because of a supply chain issue. Not only Tesla, but the entire automotive industry was disrupted due to a strained supply of materials. A rear-wheel drive Cybertruck variant was expected to be available by 2022, but that time frame has now been pushed back to next year. While there is a delay in the supply chain, there is no indication that doors to the Texas Gigafactory will open. Tesla wanted to ramp up production for Cybertruck in Texas Giga, but with no sign of progress, how can one anticipate Cybertruck to begin work anytime soon? The exact date when the Cybertruck will finally arrive is still unknown, as is with the uncertainties in the reveal of a unique quad-motor model entailed for the production timetable of the dual and single-motor prototypes. Though the Cybertruck's introduction is a hazy image for all of us, what keeps our interest alive is the recent leak of the qualities of the Tesla Cybertruck 2022 by a Tesla employee. Elon Musk's Cybertruck project appears to be on the verge of becoming a success due to its classic minimalist appearance, extended range, and room for up to 6 people in a sumptuous package that doesn't overlook the high-tech capabilities. The exterior of the Tesla Cybertruck. The Cybertruck 2022 model is reminiscent of 1990s automobiles. Tesla overlooked the side mirrors in the Cybertruck prototype, which is absurd because side mirrors are required by law in the United States and the majority of other countries. On the other hand, Elon claims that side mirrors are designed to be simple to remove by owners. Basically, the deletion or addition of side mirrors is totally up to the customer's desire and legal requirements of various countries. Not only is the design of the car unique, but the quality of materials used for this truck differs from what is often used for trucks. Tesla employed ultra-durable 30 times cold-rolled stainless steel for the Cybertruck. This robust material is used to build the exoskeleton and was determined to be one of the toughest materials for manufacturing the Tesla Cybertruck. The prototype observed will not be the final Cybertruck size. The final Cybertruck will be about 3% smaller. Owners will be frustrated by the proportion of cyber vehicles because garages in the United States are small. As a result, a rapid pickup truck in its smaller version is possible. It's also predicted that the crew has worked on smash-resistant glass, which was cracked by a ball bearing during the Cybertruck testing event. One of the unexpected innovations is the long-bladed wiper, which was not originally planned by Tesla. Elon is also dissatisfied with the long-bladed wipers placed in the Cybertruck. There's a chance that the team will discover an alternative to this long-bladed wiper. Another distinguishing feature of the Cybertruck prototype was its headlamps. The new prototype seen in the overhead film either lacked the sliding bed cover seen on the earlier prototype or was completely abandoned. The Cybertruck's headlight assembly was not the standard one that stretches from one side to the other. The headlight assembly for the experimental Cybertruck, on the other hand, had 2 typically positioned headlamps with 3 faint lights in both flanks. The interiors of a Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck preview includes seating for up to 6 individuals. 3 of them can sit in front, while the remaining 3 can sit on the bench seating. Another significant difference is that Tesla provides a steering wheel that resembles an airplane yoke. They've also outfitted Cybertruck with a small screen set centrally in a marble effect dash. Apart from these standard capabilities, Elon said that the Cybertruck will include built-in solar charging. However, he did not specify if the Cybertruck will be pre-installed with solar charging or if the owner will have the choice to install it. The Cybertruck prototype will be a relatively simple construction, but it'll be a highly functional design that hides a lot of technology beneath the hood. Simply put, Cybertruck will be a prototypical Tesla in every sense. Cybertruck technology and software. The installation of a hardware for a computer will be a wonderful complement to this Tesla Cybertruck. So what exactly is the hardware for a computer? The successor to the currently utilized Hardware 3.0 in automobiles is Hardware 4. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated that Hardware 4.0 represents a significant advancement in terms of performance and safety. The Cybertruck will be the first Tesla model to include Hardware 4. Customers who purchase a self-driving system will all have Hardware 4 in their Cybertruck. The original 3.0 software was around 300% safer than a human, but the new software version 4.0 is 1000% safer than a human. According to the Korea Economic Daily, Samsung has taken over production of the HW 4.0. Tesla and Samsung have agreed to complete production of the next generation Tesla FSD chip, which will be put into Cybertruck for the first time. The source stated that the new chip will be manufactured at the Hwaseong factory using 7nm processing technology. Samsung also possesses advanced 5nm processing technology, but they opted to use 7nm processing technology, which ensures higher manufacturing yields and chip sound stability. Tesla's Cybertruck performance will be available in single, dual, triple, and even 4-motor configurations. The single motor will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 6.5 seconds, which is pretty slow for a Tesla-based model. Whereas a dual-motor car takes 4.5 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, a 3-motor car takes only 2.9 seconds. The dual and 3-motor car systems function admirably, with super-fast acceleration that's uncommon in heavy-duty trucks. We will also have a 4- or quad-motor system, although there's no official idea for this model variety as of yet. Elon stated that the quad-motor automobile will have rear-wheel steering, which will improve the truck's agility and allow it to perform tight turns. It sounds similar to Hummer's crab mode, which employs torque vectoring to drive obliquely, allowing it to enter and exit tight spaces. Price range for Cybertruck. The Cybertruck launch event revealed the introductory price of $39,900 before discounts. The twin-motor and tri-motor variants were priced at around $49,900 and $69,900 respectively. However, Musk stated in another tweet that the vehicle may actually cost $1 million per piece, since the business is unable to produce enough of its 4680 battery cells. Tesla's incredible Cybertruck will be automotive gold for Tesla. Tesla will provide the Cybertruck to its clients at a considerably lower price, despite its pack of all classic features, varied range, and a lot more. Most significantly, Cybertruck is cost-effective because it doesn't require any fuel. Finally, Tesla plans to deliver a new prototype of its full self-driving beta software to its larger fleet later this quarter, with a whole new driving visualization. The unique design of the Cybertruck has piqued people's interest. The Cybertruck has been significantly created and has the best utility, providing superior performance to a sports vehicle. Its interior is both comfortable and appealing, with numerous extraordinary variations available. From farmers to TikTok producers, everyone wants this vehicle in their driveway. Will the Cybertruck be worth the price tag that has been placed on it? Can we anticipate a surge in demand for Cybertruck once it's released? When can we finally expect the iconic Cybertruck to launch? Let's know what you think in the comments. That was all there was to it. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting stuff and the most recent updates. We'll see you in the next video.